You come back here, I'm locking you up. That's the end of the story. Do you want to feel pain, sir?
Come with me right now,
Yes,
or you're gonna end up face down on the goddamn ground. You got me? Get in the car.
What am I under?
Get in the car! Sorry, Ron. You alright? Pull your legs in! Now! I'm gonna give it to you again!
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In June of 2017, Officer Greer of the Bridgeport Police Department in New Jersey responded to the scene of a gas station where a man had been sitting in a parked car at the gas pump.
Do you think it's real smart smoking a cigarette at a gas pump?
Out of gas.
Alright, can I see your license?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
Hopewell.
Hopewell?
Yeah.
Are you sitting here yelling stuff at people?
No.
No?
No.
Have you been drinking?
No.
No?
I'm just sitting here waiting for gas.
Okay. Where are the keys at for the vehicle?
On the dash.
In the dash. How much you had to drink? Anything?
No. I'm just sitting here for gas.
Wait right here. Put your cigarette out. You're at the gas pumps.
With the keys out of the ignition and on the dashboard, and the car being located on private property, the officer did not have enough to arrest him for a DUI.
No operation. There's open bottle on the floor, empty whiskey bottle. So they're out of gas. All they gotta say is they pushed it here and then drank because they were waiting for it to open up. I don't know how long they've been here.
Right.
Keys are on the dash, not in the ignition. No intent at this
Correct.
point.
Correct.
Maybe just hit them with the open container. If you talk to them, they'll understand.
Okay.
But like the rest, everybody else would be dealing kind of just attitude and mouth.
That's up to you, sir.
Nah, I'm just. I just want to make sure that we're on the same.
Yeah, I mean, keys are on the dash, you're on private property. You don't have operation, you don't have intent.
The officer returns to the vehicle to collect their identification, with the intent of citing them with having an open container in a vehicle.
Okay.
It's fucking ridiculous.
You've obviously been drinking. You need to call somebody that's going to come pick you up.
I have someone coming here to give me a gallon of gas.
Okay, well, you're not going to drive.
I'm not driving.
I know. That's what I'm saying. You need to call someone to come pick you up.
We can do that.
Okay, we'll do it now. Whose bottle of whiskey's out on the floor?
Where?
The one that was there when I walked away.
Somebody gave it to me.
What?
Somebody gave it to me, sir.
Gave it to you.
Yeah.
What is your name?
What's in?
Do you have an ID on you?
No, yeah.
You do not. Well, could you keep the keys out of the ignition, or I will arrest you for DWI. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
If you want this bottle, you have
Okay. Who does it belong to?
Somebody gave it to me. If you want it, you have it.
No. What is your name? Okay. Well, I'm going to be giving you both a ticket for open container and motor vehicle.
Really?
Yep. You guys want to play this game and get attitude? We'll play this game. Stay there.
The officer returns a few moments later with their citations, but then the encounter goes haywire.
All right, Mr. Drummond.
Yes, sir.
You both issued summonses
Yes.
for open containers and motor vehicle.
What is it?
Okay. The Johnny Walker.
It's fine.
Okay. Do you have someone that's going to come pick you up and move your vehicle?
We can't move the
Okay.
vehicle until we get gas.
But you have some. You have some that is sober that is on their way. Is what I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
I'm sober, dude. But my son's not.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. If you drive,
Car will not start.
Okay,
That's
listen.
why we're sitting here.
listen to me. Okay. This is why this went this way in the first place. Okay. Because the other officer explained to you, we got called here for a suspicious vehicle. So therefore, we're going to investigate it. Okay?
If you want to go somewhere to fucking do your job, we can help you. You should have asked us for help. But no, you fucking run your fucking outfit like shit. I'm an underwater certified welder, Navy SEAL. You're lucky I'm not out of the car.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm so fucking pissed off. You suck. Big fat. Are you open? Give me some gas so I can get the out of here. These motherfuckers here waste their energy and resources on
Listen.
us.
In a minute, you're gonna be disorderly conduct. I'm gonna take care of that vehicle. You're gonna be arrested, okay?
Fat boy.
So, do you understand?
I would. Okay, sir.
Officer Greer leaves the scene after the citations are issued, but is called back by the other officers as it continues to escalate after his departure.
Is it okay with you?
What?
You escort me. Why drive? You escort me out of town.
I don't think you need to be driving either, honestly.
I think you better wait for your.
Do you have a cell phone you can call somebody?
I call myself.
Can you please do that? That's best.
Probably a minute.
That's fine. You can sit there until they get here, okay?
He's cloudy. He is.
Okay. Go ahead and place that call.
I have rental properties in Salem.
Okay.
All my properties are worthless.
Hey,
I went through a divorce, cost me $500,000.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
hey.
Wait till it happens to you.
Now it's coming.
And now,
We got to see it.
you guys,
All right.
all this manpower, you gotta be kidding me. Who is the f***ing
You
sergeant?
guys know.
Where's the sergeant?
I'm not.
It's not here right now.
Where's the next chain of command?
You know where it's at.
05, just to let you know, he wants a sergeant up here, okay, sir?
No, I don't. I want you to go away
Now I know.
and leave both
That's what we're trying to do, sir, okay?
And I would help you anytime you ask me.
Okay.
I'd be on your f***ing side.
Okay.
I'd fight a war
right.
for you.
Go ahead and have a seat in your car, sir, okay?
With what?
Go ahead and have a seat in your car.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
Because of right now, because of the way he is, I don't think it's a good time.
that's all finished.
You come back here, I'm locking you up. That's the end of story. Okay? Go have a seat in your car, sir.
Let's go, Al.
Al,
Let's go run our company.
Mr. Campbell, take care of your friend. Go ahead.
We're not going to buy any houses
Yeah, I drive it now.
Thank
No, I'm
you.
not suggesting
All
you drive.
good
I'm
as
You have no license.
and have the doc to run it all.
Yeah.
call your son, Mr.
That's all. You're more than welcome to sit here until you get a ride, okay?
Right now.
Hand off the knife.
That's what you want.
The belligerent man got into his vehicle and moved it to the air pumps, giving the officers what they needed to arrest him for DUI.
There it is.
Hey! Stay right there!
That's it. Lock him up.
Put your hands on your back. I told you not to fucking know.
Stop it.
Step back. Step back. Do you want to feel pain, sir?
You're under arrest.
I told you to not do that.
You're under arrest.
I have to pull it over.
No, you're
No,
under arrest.
you were to sit there just like you were instructed to.
Now under arrest, the man changes his tune, answering officers in a respectful manner and complying with their directives. But now, it's the officers that escalate the encounter.
Step back.
Please put on my
Come with me right now,
Yes, sir.
or you're gonna end up face down on the goddamn ground. You got me?
You had plenty enough f***ing chances.
Ow.
Good.
John Paul.
I have nothing on me. I don't do drugs.
I don't give a rat's. You were given
You were told
enough
not to
f***ing
fucking do.
chances.
You were told to let your friend take care of you
How's he going to
by calling his son.
You were told to sit there while he got a ride.
Let's go.
Okay, you did
Let's
not have
go.
to move.
You're under arrest. Let's go. You were told. Get in the car.
What am I under arrest?
Get in the car! F***ing car! Sorry, Ron. You all right?
Yeah, caught on the side of the head, but get in the. Like, you
I'm gonna
gotta
do-
get him. You gotta.
There. How do you like it now? Now get in the goddamn car. Now.
Yes, sir.
Now. Get the f***ing car. Pull your legs in! Now! I'm gonna give it to you again! Pull your leg in. Now! The other leg, both
Easy with
legs!
the door. He's got a bad hip. Watch this.
Okay, pull your other leg in.
Pull your left leg up.
Okay.
Don't move.
Eventually, a supervisor arrives on scene and Officer Greer explains his side of the story.
Very argumentative. He got out. Me and DJ left. He got out and started approaching Ron, the other guy. He got out, started approaching again. I advised him to get back in the car and have a seat. His friend's going to call his son to come get the car. So, finally, after I threatened to spray him, he goes back to the car. They get in the car. They're supposed to call the son. He starts the car up and drives over here. And then he gets out of the car when we get up here. So anyways, he gets handcuffed, gets put in there, given a hard time getting in the car, so I sprayed him. His friend has somebody coming, but now it's too late. They can come and pick him up. They were given every opportunity to cooperate. And like I told my sergeant, you can stay in the car for now. Okay? Like I told my sergeant, you were cooperating. You were trying to keep your friend calm. You got somebody coming? Do you got somebody coming? Okay. Because the car's being towed.
After the passenger finds a way home, the vehicle is towed and the man is taken to jail in the same vehicle that was doused with OC spray.
Don't spit in my truck, please. That's a lot. Please don't spit in my truck. I know, but see, if you hold it and I can get here, I'll get it out of you.
During transport, the contamination was so bad, the officer had to drive with his head out the window.
All right, step out, and I'll get you that shit off your face. I can't drag you. You got to move out. I am not dragging you out. Let's go.
Thank you, sir.
Walk over this way.
Which way?
This way. To your left.
Yes, sir.
Just turn and walk. Walk straight. I want you to go sit over here at this bench.
Yeah.
And I'm going to get right here. That one over there.
Yeah, I'm where?
No, you know what? Come on. No. Right here. This bench.
Where?
I want him to sit on the bench. I'm going to get something because
Where?
Yeah. I'll get the towels because I got to get my eye, DJ. I got my contact lens might be messed up.
The man was arrested and charged with driving while intoxicated and resisting arrest, but Officer Greer would later prepare and submit a false police report. He also claimed that the OC spray did not strike the victim and that it did not take immediate effect. The complaint summons stated that he resisted arrest by refusing to enter the patrol vehicle after being arrested for DWI.
You're under arrest. Let's go. You were told, get in the car.
What am I under arrest?
Get in the car! Sorry, Ron. You all right?
Yeah, caught on the side of the head, but get in the.
I'm gonna
you gotta get him. You gotta.
There, how do you like it now? Now get in the goddamn car! Now!
Yes, sir.
Now! Get the fucking car!
And the affidavit of probable cause claimed that the man was advised to be seated inside the patrol vehicle numerous times, at which time he refused. But 4 years after the incident, Officer John Greer III was indicted on 2 federal crimes after the U.S. Attorney's Office for New Jersey viewed the body cam footage. He was charged with 1 count of violating an individual's civil rights and 1 count of falsifying a record for the falsified police report. Officer Greer surrendered to federal authorities and was released on a $50,000 bond. At that time, he was put on administrative leave with pay, to which the chief said he was surprised at the indictments, as the department had investigated the use of force on their own, and discipline was delivered internally. But federal authorities disagreed with the chief, declaring that it was their responsibility to investigate and prosecute police officers who abused their power and deprived citizens of their civil rights. And in October of 2023, 6 years after the incident, Officer John Greer pleaded guilty to at least one count of violating an individual's civil rights. The officer also agreed that using OC spray on a handcuffed suspect that was not resisting or posing a threat to any officer was excessive force, and a violation of the Fourth Amendment to the Constitution, facing up to a year in prison and a $100,000 fine. Officer Greer attended his sentencing in March of 2024, where he was granted a deal, pleading guilty to only deprivation of individual rights under color of law. He was sentenced 1 year of probation and a fine of $25. There is no information on whether or not John Greer is still in law enforcement, but I'd like to know what you think. Was this punishment enough? Are you surprised the feds even pursued this case? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, check out another video linked on screen.
Tastes terrible.
Yeah, it's good on pizza though.